Hello!
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. For our first video, we came up with these two spring Easter vibe looks.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you want to see how we created this look, then keep on watching. So first we're going to go in with serum.
We both have the same one. I don't know how to pronounce it, but... Yeah.
I like to bring down the moisturizers or whatever I'm using before foundation down my throat too.
After you use a serum, you're supposed to go in with a moisturizer. This one is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. The MAC Strobe Cream. This one's in Pink Light. It's like a pink thing, you know. Bam.
For moisturizer, we basically use the same thing.
But I use way more other stuff than her after this. I think you stop after this, right?
Yeah.
Not me, not I. So yeah, I gotta hurry up because I have to put everything else. I don't want you to... The makeup forever.
So this is Skincare Hydro Refining Softener Lotion.
The No Pore Blend Primer, get it? It look like this. My sock. Okay, I changed the lighting just a little bit. So I have the Laura Mercier Silk Cream Moisturizing Photo Edition Foundation in Bamboo Beige. You feel me? Do you smell me? Then I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Stick. This one's like a perfect match. I'm just gonna use both. So I'm gonna get the She Moisture Daily Hydration Overnight Face Oil and put it on top of the foundation because it's matte as a my sock.
I mix mine, so beware. Hold on. Cuckoo, but I'm gonna try 3 foundations. Makeup Forever, the Laura Mercier, and Hourglass. Just a smidge of the Hourglass because the Laura Mercier one is like really orangey. I'm gonna do a couple of strokes of the Hourglass just like that.
I'm breaking out.
I'm gonna show you guys some videos of me doing hair makeup so you guys can see how to do other people's makeup, because it's not the same as doing yourself and doing somebody else's. Make sure to go in your creases. Put that bitch in there. Then with another sponge, a clean sponge, I pat in this so it doesn't look too cakey.
Ow! I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier for a more full coverage look.
So for concealer, I'm gonna use Kat Von D Lock-In Concealer. I'm in number M17.
I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Makeup Highlight and Contour Cream Pro Palette. Whatever.
I'm gonna be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer for contouring. Just a little bit. It's really brown. Same blue sponge. Just tap it in there.
I'm gonna go in with these 2 colors.
Keep blending this bitch.
No. Make my life easier.
Honestly, doing contouring with cream, it's not that hard, or liquid. Just need patience on blending it. Patience.
Like never blend down. Always blend up.
I put the contour right on the cheekbone. When I blend, I don't blend going down. I blend staying in the same spot, going straight down. And if it's still too much cream or whatever you're using, if it's too dark, just start going up and then just blend everything together so it just looks seamless, so you don't see like patch of concealer, patch of
Like, you don't want to see where it ends.
of contour. You want everything to blend in as a family. Okay, I'm just gonna powder underneath my eye, not my whole face.
I'm using the Rodeo one. Whatever, we're just gonna leave her. And I'm gonna put the Wet n Wild one also in it. Underneath, buddy. You set your eyes and your eyebrows and your whole face?
Mm.
I'm about to do that.
No, you're not gonna set it, everything.
Oh, yeah. So, we're gonna do our brows and then we're gonna continue on with the tutorial. We just finished our brows, obviously. But we discovered that we're never gonna do that again.
We usually do our brows first. Yeah, next time we're never gonna do our brows after foundation. I'm gonna set my face with Studio Fix, MAC Studio Fix. The color is NC42.
I use the Cover FX setting powder. Pressed powder.
I'm gonna set my eyes with powder.
So for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Pretty Vulgar in Bronzed Mannequin.
I forgot my color, hold on. Cool.
I'm gonna do the forehead. Sorry. Oh my. Yeah, I wanna do one side first. I'm gonna have a snack break.
Okay, so I'm gonna use Anastasia's powder bronzer, and my color is Saddle. I just use an angle brush, you know. Nothing big.
I use a bigger one. A more fluffier one.
Mine is not that big. Because I swirl mine in circles going up though, so I don't really need a big brush. That is just gonna make it look bold, my face. I go right into my cheekbone and I tap it, and then once I feel like the powder's in there, I start swirling in circles.
Just do it on the side of my nose.
That what we use right now, what we did was bronzer. I'm gonna use like a contour now, so it looks more chiseled. What I'm using for that one is more of a darker color than the bronzer. It's from Soft Focus, and for the contouring, I like to use a fan brush, a big one.
Same, but sometimes I'll use like this one. I'll use this one for bronzing and contouring sometimes, and it's like magnifique. I'm gonna use the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. It comes with a highlighter, 2 highlighters in here, a brightener, finishing powder, and a blush and contour. I'm gonna use a contour.
For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte. The name is Fanciful. Pretty old one. I don't know if they still make it. No, but wow!
I'm also gonna use the Makeup Forever contour because this one's a little bit darker.
Bring it up to your contour and your bronzer, so you don't get like 2 different lines. Like I said, you want everything to match up like a family. And for contouring, I like to use a brush like this.
That's what yours is?
Yeah.
I like mine like this.
See the difference in ours?
I'm turning it. It's like full. It's like fluffy.
I like to start from the beginning of the brow going down. I like to use my powder brush, the one I use for powdering my face, just to make sure everything is blended perfectly into my face. I don't have harsh lines.
Okay, I'm gonna put some contour underneath my lip because it's like it makes your lips look like bigger.
It gives the illusion that it's much more fuller. We'll both do that. This one, I'll use a different brush though, much fluffy. The same brush that she has, kind of.
See, it looks like you have a shadow underneath your lip.
The cheap lip fillers.
Yup.
You can't afford that yet.
Like Tati said, surgery with makeup. But it's not really surgery. Lip fillers. Made it a little brighter. I'm like saying it, so sorry. No, sorry. Okay. For blush, I'm gonna use the Blush Like You Mint It. Get it? I think this one's a Statement. It's by Dose of Colors. See, we'll start off with that one. And then going with the different one. This one. Going the blush from this one because it's much more brighter. Really love that. Now I'm going to spray my face because it'd be dry. This is my blush cute. I like even put it right here. So kind of like I was like blushing.
Wow.
Where's the towel? On the floor? Really? Ew!
So for today's look, we're trying to go for like an Easter look. Okay, yeah. So we're going for an Easter look. Wow. So for our eyeshadow today, we're going to be trying to do like an Easter look you guys can wear on Easter. Basically, we're using the same palettes, but we're not going to do the same look. We're going to do different looks. We're both going to use the James Charles palette.
And the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette.
So the first color I'm going to go in with is in the Thirsty palette. Bitch. It's going to be technical. Bitch! Tap it. I don't rub it. I just tap right into the crease.
I don't know what color to go into because I don't even know what the fudge I'm doing. Whatever. I'm going to go in with this pink right here. What's it called? I'm going to go in with Pinkity Drinkity. And I'm going to use a M441.
And I'm using the same thing, M441. Both doing it above the crease. That's where we start off, is above the crease. We like to keep the lid blank, but we're both going above the crease. And whatever's left on the brush, I like to bring it up so we don't have a harsh line.
I usually I bend it like this. I tilt it.
We're not going to be like most YouTubers and just start off with one eye and then go off camera and do the other eye. We're just going to do both at the same time.
That's how we usually do it.
We don't want to switch nothing up, even though we did our eyebrows after our foundation and we never do that.
You know, we just wanted to try that and...
Never again.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to darken it up and get the color Skip. It's like more like a hot pinkish, but not really hot pink. It's hot pink.
And
by the way, I'm colorblind.
I'm going for a halo look.
I'm going for a half cut crease.
I'm going to be going in with Playground next. The blue.
I'm just taking the color Skip and putting it just like right on my crease. Right? This is my crease, right? The fold of your eyelid.
And with Playground, I'm going in with a Morphe M573. And with the Playground, I just went on the outside I did like kind of like a V. So we're doing it like this, blending upwards. Try not to go right in the middle of my eye so I can save that for the halo look, which is the whole glitter right down the middle. Going inside my eye so I can do the whole halo look, I'm going to be using Morphe M431. Very tiny. It looks like cotton candy.
Let me see. Oh, it does. I'm going to go back in with Pinkity Drinkity and put it on top of Skip so Pinkity Drinkity doesn't get lost in the sauce up here. And so we can blend out the raw harsh line. That's blended, not blended. Blended, not blended. Blended, not blended. Blended, not blended. Don't you love me?
No, bro. I'm gonna go back in with Bitch. The blue is starting to look a little muddy, so we're gonna be going in with the darker pink. I'm gonna go in with Love That and James Charles' palette on a M433 brush. We kind of made it purple. I need to go with the more pink right on top.
I'm gonna take Morphe M433 and go in the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette and use Splash. It's like a turquoise color.
I'm gonna go in with Skip and James Charles' palette on a MAC 226 SE.
So I'm just taking the color Splash and putting it in the outer corner. And I'm trying to just leave it on the bottom and not put it on top of the pink. Cause I don't want it to mix colors as much, you feel me? Yes, mom. This one's M506. It's a little teeny tiny booty brush. For like right here. Just perfect for the crease.
In the Thirsty palette, I'm gonna go in with submerge on the other eye, right over playground, so we can make that blue pop out more.
I'm gonna take a brush like this and go back in with the James Charles palette and take the shade Single and blend it in the middle between these colors.
And I'm gonna be going back in with Bitch and blending underneath my eye. Putting some color underneath the eye. And I'm gonna go back in with Skip and James Charles' palette underneath my eye. I'm gonna go in James Charles' palette, Hello. I'm actually gonna conceal it so we can make that halo look actually pop out. I'm going like with an angled brush, so it's like a brow brush. Really musty though, but it'll be fine to go in with concealer. I'm gonna be going straight down with the line and then blend it outwards.
I'm gonna cut my crease using this Morphe brush. It's a M224. It looks like that. Got it from, you know, one and only James Charles.
Bro!
You serious? We'll pick that shade up after. We have no choice. Okay, well, I'm gonna mix these two. You can't even tell. Whatever.
I'm going to go in with Hello. I'm gonna go with my finger. The brush doesn't really make the whole glitter pop out. Even if you wet it, I don't really think it makes it pop out, so I like to use my finger.
So I cut my crease. Now I'm gonna put yellow on my lid.
Okay, I'm going in my, like, deep in my lash line. I'm gonna go in with, love that.
I'm gonna go in with the color B in the James Charles palette. It's the yellow shade.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with lashes already, because I'm practically done. Okay, so we did our eyelashes off camera, and we had did the eyeliner off camera too.
Yep.
So we're gonna be going in with,
Our lippity doodaws.
I'm gonna be going with like a neutral color pink.
I'm gonna do brown look. Like a nudish.
I went more with a matte look.
I always go with gloss looks because my lips are too crusty for that. I went in with the Steve Laurent lip gloss, and then I went in with the ColourPop ultra glossy lip.
Bro, you were such a copycatter. You wanna be me?
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Wait.